Well, the first thing we're going to do here in checking out this PSE TAC 15 crossbow is we're going to check the speed on this thing. You try to sell somebody a crossbow that goes over 400 feet per second, it pretty much well better do it. I got a chronograph set up. We're going to check it out today, and that way you'll see for yourself, and we'll see what this thing do. Let's check it out, see what happens here. I'm going to shoot one through the chronograph. You find out for yourself whether or not to do that 400 feet per second that they brag about. We'll see here in a sec. It only takes 12 pounds of pressure to crank this thing. So all I do is just crank it back slowly until it stops. Take the charger, take the cranking handle off. It's on, you use your same safety with it. I don't want to point it up in the air or anything. On your crossbow. There you go. 405.8 feet per second. That's close. That's the 400 feet per second they're talking about. Like I say, zoom back out. If that crossbow won't do it, if it says it's going to do over 400 feet per second, then I want it. That's what I bought it for, is that 400 feet per second. And I also bought it for this trigger. Crossbow triggers load up. This one don't, because it uses the same trigger in your AR. If you want a match grade trigger on a crossbow, this is it. This is what you need. Now, I'm going to shoot it through again, just in case you think that was a fluke. Let's see if it'll do that 400 again. Zoom in on that 400. Okay, we got the 400 that time. We're going to shoot it through again, see if we get another 400 out of this thing, over 400 feet per second. Let's see if it does it. There you go. That time 404.8. It's right there at the over 400 feet per second. 404, 405, 406. Okay, one other thing about this crossbow is it don't shoot off the flight deck of the crossbow. It extends from the arrow extends from the whisker biscuit back to the cocking and firing device right here, and this is where it fires from. It's not laying on the deck, so you don't create that friction. It don't rob power from you. This bow has a long stroke. It seems rather long, but the bow is very comfortable to shoot. Can't wait till the hunting season start. Try to harvest a couple of deer with this thing. Accuracy on it is great. I got it sighted in for 50 yards right now. The distance I'm shooting at right now is a little bit too short for me to shoot as much as I want to. I got a laser on this thing. I got a bipod on it, and I have NC Star laser on it. The laser I got set for like 20 yards. The bipod is set for when I get a chance to rest it on something and really do some accurate pinpoint shooting. I can do it with this. The bow is quiet as far as crossbows are concerned. Anytime you have these past parallel limbs like this with this cam and the way the holes are in the riser, they're offset to eliminate a lot of your noise and dampening. It's got string dampeners on it. The bow is very quiet as far as crossbows go. So if you're thinking about buying yourself a decent crossbow, you can't go wrong with this PSE TAC 15 or the TAC 10 or the TAC 15i or the TAC 10i. TAC 15i models come with a lower receiver, so you don't have to buy an AR lower to do it with. Now, whether or not those trigger mechanisms and the match grade triggers will fit in their receivers, I don't know that just yet. But that's the way to go. Match grade trigger if you want to put one in there. This ain't a match grade trigger, but this trigger is just fine. I got a match grade trigger that I was going to use with this thing, but I've decided not to. You leave that with my target rifle and just use this. This is great. Y'all keep your eyes out and get yourself one of these TAC 15s or TAC 10s and be the best crossbow you ever had in your life. I'm gonna keep shooting a little bit. Y'all be safe till next time. You can go ahead and pause.